Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Today we're doing Bitcoin. Why? Because it's pumping, it's going up. Right now it's 19.3. And if you watched my last video on Bitcoin, we were actually bearish. We are talking about it's gonna hit some kind of support at 50 moving average and stuff like that. Long way down, but we had decent technicals that supported the bearish momentum, the bearish sentiment. But this is the technical analysis, like everything can change on a dime. Things pump, suddenly you're bullish again, so you have to take that into consideration. So we're gonna watch is like how bullish are we right now. Just a little bullish, really bullish, like 100x go right now bullish. I don't think we are quite there yet on 100x, but we are bullish, that's for sure. How long we're gonna be bullish, what kind of technicals have to be broken for us to be really bullish, and then what kind of technical has to be happen like for us to go bearish again. That's what we're gonna examine in today's video. I think it's gonna be interesting because I got some ideas. And of course, before we start, like and subscribe to the channel. Now that that's said, now we can move on. Okay, so basically, the last video was made after this breaking down of the 20 moving average, this rand candle here. We also had some kind of support. Where was the support? Around here, and I said less support. If it breaks this support, we're gonna be bearish. It broke support, it broke the 20 moving average, it closed below both of the lines. You're pretty much bearish then, and we were, and the price tried to get above the 20, couldn't. Third day just went more down, fourth day down, and now the fifth day it pumped back up again, and now it's going even higher than the 20 moving average. So what's gonna happen? Well, when price started going down over here, we were bearish, and that's the normal thing to do. You see technicals, you decide what you are. Below 20 moving, you bearish, because right here the 20 was holding, here it was not holding no more. But after the this uptrend came here, you have to, and we closed above the 20 moving average. You have to ask yourself, like, are you still bearish? No, you're not. You're bullish. You're bullish as you know what, you know. And not only that, the next candle as well, bullish again going. So the thing is, how far but does this confirm the uptrend? No, it doesn't. We are in a sideways trend, because you can see now that we have some kind of a side trend, however you want to draw it, right? So for this to actually be a decent uptrend, or we have first target is this over here. Let me use magnet for this so we can get exact numbers. Magnet, this over here, 19,421. So that's the first target. If we can break and hold above, okay, 1915. If we can break and hold above 19,415, we are bullish. And then to be like, oh, we are going really high up, and I mean like 22, 25, 30, 100,000 like today, we have to break and close above 19,695, above this. Okay, so first line is what's gonna make us really bullish. If we close above 19.4, we're really bullish. That means we got a higher high on these tops over here. If we close above 19,696, we're really bullish. But until we get to close above 19,696, we are going sideways direction, and we can always break bearish. So don't FOMO in just yet. If you want to FOMO in, at least wait for the close above 19,415 or even 19,696. Now, close above 19,415 can actually be really bad thing to go in before 19,696 is actually closed above, because you just might actually buy the top of this. You just actually might buy the top. Now there's also a problem with CME futures. The CME futures closed at, where they closed at? They closed at 17,990. Okay, 70 or 18,000. something like 18,000, and the price now is at is at 19,300. So that's almost 1,300 points difference that we're gonna get the gap. So it just might happen that after the gap, this drop over here for the next 2 weeks, this was 2 weeks, we're just gonna bleed down again, try to close the gap. That just might happen again. I'm not saying it will, I'm saying it can happen. So basically what we got so far is we are bullish on Bitcoin because we are above the 20 moving average, but we are not setting the targets at 21, 22, 24, 25,000 just yet, because we have to the close above 19,696, 19,700. If we close above that, first then we can be really bullish and look for higher targets. But before we actually get above that target, we are just in a sideways movement right now, sideways movements. So we can get all kind of triangles right now, because this is forming some kind of triangle. So we can get this triangle, we can get ascending triangle, we can get all kind of triangles right here, right? This looks like it's breaking this small triangle over here, at least for now. But then we can just get the new high here. Maybe this will even close lower here at what's this, 19,100, right? So all kind of things can happen. All kind of things can happen. But right now it looks like we are getting into some kind of triangle, and we have to follow triangle really, because this is indecisive territory. It's not like we are not breaking any significant new highs or new lows. We are just trading in a trading range, and anything can happen. So don't FOMO in and thinking we're gonna go high, or don't short sell and thinking we're gonna go to the bottom right now, because right now nothing is actually confirmed. Keep that in mind, keep that in mind. Now also on the weekly, it looks like we're gonna get a Dragonfly Doji on top. Now Dragonfly Doji, this candle here, the candlestick, the Japanese candlestick, man, the Japanese candlesticks. If it's on the bottom of a trend, it's a bullish thing. But if it's on the top of a trend, it's still bullish, but not that. It's not that. What we're gonna call it? Not that significant, because it shows that buyers, the bulls, has managed to push the price back to the top, but they did not manage to break top. So it is kind of continuation pattern, continuation candlestick, but not that strong. So keep that in mind, keep that in mind. But we are at the top, we are some kind of top. We are above all the moving averages. Some kind of correction is in the game, but nothing is confirmed. Let's look on the 4 hourly. And this is what happened actually that made the price go up. So you can see here, let's get just the moving averages that we need to have for this. And that's the only one we need. The purple line, that's the 200 moving average. This is on the 4 hourly chart. What happened here, we're also gonna use the RSI for this. What happened here is that price made divergence on the RSI. There was divergence on the RSI, and it was bullish divergence on the RSI. Once that divergence happened, and we also hit on the 4 hourly, the 200 moving average, you can see here the price just continued going up. Now this divergence is already corrected, so this divergence is no longer in play, but we broke bullish. And the question is, are we gonna continue breaking bullish? There's another thing that's bullish that I'll show you, and that's also divergent on the RSI, but this is hidden bullish divergence. The price is going up, but the RSI went down, and this is bullish divergence, hidden bullish divergence. That means a continuation pattern. That means that actually the price will continue higher. So here is what we know so far. We are in some kind of triangle, in some kind of undecisive territory, but we are bullish. 2, we have a hidden bullish divergence on the daily, important, on the daily. That means that we are gonna continue in whatever trend we are, and we are an uptrend. So all in all, this can actually go pretty high up. But I'm not saying it will. I'm just saying what technicals right now saying. So you have to follow the technicals. every day, all day, and see what's happening. And that's why you have to subscribe to this channel, and because this is not something you want to miss out. Now, you do your trades, I'll do my trades. Do not trade based on my technicals, and I won't trade based on your technicals, but it's nice to know what other people are thinking. Subscribe to the channel. On 500 we're gonna get live stream, so you can ask questions if you got any. And that's video for today. Thanks for watching. I'll be seeing you again tomorrow, perhaps when this is all on the all-time high. I won't be making instant video like, oh, we just broke all-time high, we gotta talk about this. No. There's no FOMO here. We take it slow. You want a FOMO, you go to the moon, you go to the Crypto, you go even to the Ivan on Tech. Even he is like, oh, we're gonna go, you know, instant videos. No, there's no instant video. We do one video a day, sometimes Bitcoin, sometimes altcoins, whatever is pumping, whatever is nice to talk about, we talk about that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow. Have fun, don't lose your money, and be reasonable with your money. Be reasonable with your money. Bye bye.